So I've been on a bit of a power trip lately with some of my video reviews, from battery chargers to charging stations to power stations, that sort of thing. And this video is no different. I'm going to be taking a look at a portable battery that works with your iPhone, so stay tuned. Hi there, it's HighTechDad, and welcome to my channel where I review all types of technology for the home, for on the go, for work. I post how-tos and fix-its. You can check them out on my YouTube channel as well as on my blog at HighTechDad.com. And today we are taking a look at a power bank from a company called INIU, INIU. So this is the product we're going to take a look at. I haven't unboxed it yet. That will be part of the video. And I'll walk through some of the specs and test it out briefly on a dead iPhone that I have waiting just for this purpose. So let's take a look. There are no specifications on the box. And thank you to INIU for sending me out a sample so that I could do this review. So let's check it out. All right, let's go into the unboxing of the INIU. I mispronounced it before, but it is pronounced INIU Power Bank. This is the P41L-E2. This is a 10,000 mAh power bank. I have to point out that on the packaging, while there isn't too much on there, it is clear that they do have a 3-year warranty listed there, and there is service and support listed on the back. So let's take a look at this. I'm assuming that it is going to look like the picture on the front. I'll be interested to find out what the paw print is all about. And I do note that it has a cable coming out of the top of it. So let's unbox it and see what it's all about. All right, so it looks like pretty easy here. It's got the open tab, and hopefully I only have to do this once. And of course I ripped it off and it didn't come off as easily as I would like. But that is my fault. Here we go. There it is. So now taking it out with the inside, so nothing else inside the box. It's nicely packaged in here. The battery itself is in a plastic wrap, and then there is an information code for, I believe, to verify authenticity and limited time offers, so you can sign up for something like that. And there is a user manual that sort of walks through everything, but I'm going to try and figure it out without reading the manual like I usually do and turn to it when I need to. So inside, this is the battery itself. So fairly small. You can see the cable up on the top. There's some information on the back. There is a power button on the side here. It looks like there is a USB type A, USB type C, and I believe that this little thing here is a flashlight. And then you have a built-in USB type C battery. So I believe that this is used for charging. Charging both the battery or charging other devices. So let's see how this works. And oh, there's the paw print. I pushed the button and it looks like a couple of toes are lit up. So it probably means that it's halfway full. So let's take a look and see how this works. Some quick specifications regarding the ports. So this is the cable 1 in and out. So again, this, using the cable, you can charge the battery or charge other devices. And it says that it is 27 watts or 45 watts. So I'm assuming that the 45 watts is for charging out, and 27 is charging the battery itself. There is also a USB-C in and out number 2. And this one is 27 watts, I believe, in and 45 watts out. And then lastly, the USB type A, which is 22.5 watts out. So let's test those out. So in my massive drawer of products and cables, I was able to find a Lightning to USB type C cable. So I'm going to plug that into the USB type C port when I plug it in, it does turn on. And yes, I read the manual a little bit. So yes, these do indicate the power level. And the lowest level is when there are no toe prints and just the sort of the palm of the paw print active. So plugged it in, so it should be active now. And this is completely dead. I can't even turn it on right now. So let's see if it'll power up. So it does say that it is getting power, and it says that the iPhone is findable. So that means that it is starting to charge. I'm not sure how long it'll take to fully charge the iPhone from being dead, but definitely works that way. Now I'll try it also with a USB Type A to Lightning and see if how that all works. All right, so here is a USB Type A. Plug it in. Let's see if the light turns on. The light turns on. The paw is happy, and I can plug it in right here. And let's see if it starts to get some power. So yes, it says that it is starting to charge. So far so good when it comes to charging this, and you can have multiple devices charging as well. So the iPhone is booting up. It means it's gotten enough power. And I did find just a small battery case for some microphones that I previously reviewed. It has a battery built into the case. So it has USB Type-C there. I was going to plug it in to see if it'll charge simultaneously. And it is slowly blinking here, which means that yes, it is charging both devices at the same time, and the iPhone has completely booted up. So kind of nice how this works all together. You can have two devices charging at the same time. You could probably have three if I had another device that needed USB Type-C. I wanted to quickly show what the charge indicator looks like. The Paw Power, as they call it. So I'm using the built-in USB-C and plugging it into a little adapter here. And you can see that the paw lights up and then it blinks on the level that it is currently charging at. So I haven't been charging it that long. Not sure exactly how long it'll take to fully charge it up. I will try to get some estimates on that. I do believe, though, if you have 3 ports active charging something, that it's going to dramatically reduce the output. This is a PD power delivery 20-watt fast charger. So if you have one thing that you're plugging in, like an iPhone or something like that, it will charge it much faster than if you're splitting up and dispersing the power to a bunch of other things. So let's take a look at some of the specs on this in a little bit more detail, and then I'll give you some final thoughts. So here are some quick specs on this. So it weighs about 6.3 ounces. It's fairly lightweight. Obviously you can't feel it, but I can. It is definitely smaller and lighter weight than a lot of batteries that I've seen out in the market, and some of the ones that I have, especially given the 10,000 mAh capacity. So in terms of dimensions, it is 4.3 inches by 2.7 inches by 0.07 inches. So it is fairly small, which I really like about that. It's probably about 25% smaller than a lot of things out there. So who is it good for? I think it's great for students or travelers, someone who needs to be able to carry at least 1 to 1.5 or 2 charges for their iPhone when they're out on the go. It does tend to show fingerprints a little bit on the plastic, but it is a hard plastic. It feels pretty durable. The nice thing about the included cable, you don't have to carry around a cable, especially if you have a iPhone that uses USB Type-C. It almost can act as a little lanyard, but I would make sure that you secure it well if you're going to use it that way. other nice thing about it is the price point. So as of the filming of this review, it was on sale for about $27. Normally is about $32. So you can shop around. I will leave some links in the description below on where to pick it up. But I definitely think it's good for, like I said, travelers or business people who want to take something lightweight and portable out on the go. They don't want to carry extra cables. They want to have the option to connect other devices, and having sort of the quote unquote legacy USB type A connector is nice if you have some um, devices that don't work with USB type C. And the little flashlight is always nice to have as well. So what do you think? Is this something that you would want to pick up and have in your tech tool chest to carry around? I'm pretty happy to have it. I kind of like the dog paw print, the power paw, so to speak, that lights up based on the charge level of the battery. So there you have it, the INIU fast charge power bank, 10,000 mAh. Let me know what you think. And of course, I always appreciate a thumbs up, a like, a subscribe. It helps the algorithm. It helps me get more content out to you that may be interesting and relevant. So I would really appreciate the subscribe. And if you have any questions, you can ask me on my Facebook page, and that's at facebook.com/HTDblog. I'm on various social media platforms, and all you have to do is search for HighTechDad, and I should show up there. So there's the link for that. And of course, I have lots and lots of written comment on my website, and that's at www.hightechdad.com. Let me know what you think. Let me know if you have any questions, and be sure to subscribe so you get the next powerful tech review from HighTechDad. Thanks for watching.